What if I told you the future of delivery, transport, and even mobile business just changed forever? This is not just another electric van. This is Tesla's Robovan, a vehicle that could replace millions of gas-powered vans across America. No driver, no fuel stops, lower costs, smarter logistics. And if Tesla gets this right, companies like Amazon, FedEx, and even small businesses may never operate the same way again. Stay with me because this is bigger than you think. Welcome to Auto Elite 2026, where we break down the future of cars before it hits your driveway. Today, we're diving deep into the Tesla Robovan, a fully electric, potentially autonomous van that could redefine transportation across the United States. We're not just covering specs. We're breaking down what this van means for businesses, drivers, and the entire auto industry. The Tesla Robovan is expected to be a next-generation electric van designed for commercial delivery, passenger transport, autonomous fleet operations. Unlike traditional vans like the Ford Transit or Mercedes Sprinter, this isn't just electrified. It's reimagined from the ground up. Think of it as a delivery truck, a shuttle, and a business platform, all in one. And the biggest difference? Tesla is building this with autonomy in mind from day one. Tesla doesn't follow traditional design rules, and the Robovan proves it. Expect a boxy but futuristic shape for maximum cargo efficiency. Smooth aerodynamic surfaces. Minimal front grille because EVs don't need it. Large sliding doors for easy loading. Inside, the focus is functionality. No unnecessary buttons. No clutter. Just space, technology, and efficiency. For passenger versions, we could see modular seating, lounge-style interiors, screen-based controls. This is less like a van and more like a mobile tech space. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. Tesla's Robovan is expected to feature dual or tri-motor setup, instant torque delivery, smooth, silent acceleration. Even though it's a commercial vehicle, don't expect it to feel slow. Tesla vehicles are known for responsiveness, and this van will likely carry that DNA. Estimated range could be 250 to 350 miles per charge. That's enough for a full day of deliveries in most US cities. And charging? With Tesla's supercharger network, downtime could be dramatically reduced compared to traditional fueling cycles. This is where everything changes. Tesla's Robovan is expected to integrate full self-driving technology. That means autonomous delivery routes, reduced need for human drivers, 24/7 operation capability. Imagine a fleet of vans delivering packages all night without breaks. No salaries, no fatigue, no human error. For businesses, this could cut costs massively. But here's the real question. Will regulations allow it? Because the technology might arrive faster than the laws. Let's bring this into the real world. In the United States, delivery demand is exploding. Companies are spending billions on logistics. Now imagine replacing gas vans with Robovans. No fuel cost, lower maintenance, fewer drivers needed. For small businesses, this could mean lower startup costs, higher profit margins. For big corporations, massive scalability. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a business revolution. Tesla is known for its software-first approach. So inside the Robovan, expect large central touchscreen,
AI-powered route optimisation,
real-time fleet tracking, over-the-air updates. That means the van actually improves over time, just like your smartphone. For business owners, this is huge. Because your fleet doesn't become outdated, it evolves. Tesla vehicles are already among the safest on the road. The Robovan will likely include advanced driver assistance systems, collision avoidance, 360-degree camera vision, emergency braking, and if autonomy is fully implemented, human error, responsible for most accidents, could be reduced significantly. Tesla isn't alone in this space. Competitors include
Ford Transit,
Rivian delivery vans, Mercedes-Benz e-Sprinter. But here's the difference. Most competitors are just electrifying existing vans. Tesla is redesigning the entire concept. from software to autonomy to user experience. Tesla hasn't revealed official pricing yet, but industry estimates suggest $50,000 to $80,000 depending on configuration. At first glance, that may seem high, but when you factor in fuel savings, lower maintenance, potential removal of driver costs, the long-term value becomes very clear. Now let's be realistic. There are challenges. Regulatory approval for autonomy, infrastructure limitations, high initial cost, public trust in self-driving tech. Tesla has faced delays before, so timelines should always be taken cautiously. If Tesla executes this correctly, the Robovan could become the backbone of delivery networks, a new standard for commercial EVs, a key player in autonomous transport. And in the next 5 to 10 years, we could see entire cities powered by fleets of autonomous electric vans. So the question is not whether electric vans will take over. The question is, how fast? And Tesla's Robovan might just be the vehicle that accelerates that future. If you want to stay ahead of the automotive revolution, make sure you watch our full breakdowns here on Auto Elite 2026, because the future of driving is already here.